Okay, today we're going to solve P8.6. So this one is about credit card service charge and about the payment for the due date. So it's related to account receivable, not receivable. And here are some main information that you need to pay attention, especially that is include the interest rate and the term. And here we are going to use the maturity date, and the interest is computed using 360 days. For the second question, we only need to do the T account, and then we need to show the statement of financial position. Okay, let's start with the first one. On July 5th, so here they mentioned that make a sale 4,500 on unpaid credit card. In here we will record as account receivable and sale revenue because we sold the product and they pay on credit card. But they didn't mention about the service charge or something like that. So we only record on account receivable. On the July 14, there was a little bit different here because we're going to have cash, sale revenue, and service charge expense. And here, in order to calculate the service charge, we're going to take that 600 times 3%, and we're going to equal to $18. So here, sale revenue we always record on the credit side. So just put in first, and then put the service charge expense $18. So which means that we only collect 582 for cash. And then here, you may wondering why we're receiving cash. Yes, because the customer pay by credit card and we paid the service charge expense to record the cash. No need to wait until they pay in full because they don't owe us. Okay, for the next one, July 20. July 20 is related to cash, not receivable, and interest revenue, since we're going to receive payment in full from the court incorporation. Okay, here, so for the not receivable, because we lend out 6,000, so we're going to receive back 6,000 include the interest revenue. So in here, how to calculate the interest, we're going to take 6,000 times 8% and times for 90 per 360 at the maturity term. So we're going to have $120 for the interest, and we just combine together with the note receivable. So the total cash that we receive is $6,120. Okay. Remember this 360. We only use 360 days. If the question is 365, then we have to change the number. Next transaction is July 24. We also receive full payment from the company. So it's the same one with July 20, but the number is different. We also use three kind of account: that's cash, not receivable, and interest revenue. So please remember that which one on the credit side and debit side. We lend out 7,800 with 10% for 60 days. So the amount of interest will be $130. So we just put in here $130 plus for 7,800. So totally we're going to have $7,930. Yes. So next one, go to the next, is July 31st. We have to do the assisting entry for the interest. So in here we record as interest receivable and interest revenue. So how to calculate this one? We just use the interest rate at 10%, and for the amount of the third company, so we're going to have 10,000 times for 6%, and it's only one month. Okay, from June 30 to July 31st. So okay, 1 month. 1/12, we're going to have $50. So here we just move that $50 into here. And next one we're going to do the account. So in here we have 3 accounts we need to pay attention on is interest receivable, not receivable, and account receivable. So you just retrieve the journal entry to fill in the balance and the amount. Then we're going to calculate the balance, and therefore we will transfer those numbers into the financial statement. Pay attention on the balance from the notes receivable in the beginning, and then you have the number of balance. That's 23,800, and then fill in the journal transaction. That's 6,000 from July 20 and July 24. Okay, and so on. So just fill those numbers by yourself and double check with my answer. Thank you. Bye bye.